Jai Hind student, today we are going to continue our topic anti-poverty measure. The next point is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. The Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana launched in 25th December 2000 as a 100% centrally sponsored scheme. The primary objective of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is to provide all weather connectivity to eligible unconnected habitations in the rural areas. The systematic upgradation of the exit rural road network is also an integral component of the scheme. The program is funded mainly from the accrual of diesel census in the Central Road Fund. The implementation strategy focus on the quality of cost management on the time and delivery. Next, Indra Awas Yojana. Initially, Indra Awas Yojana launched in May 1985, the sub-scheme of the Johar Rozgar Yojana. Now it is being implemented as an independent scheme since January 1996. The scheme aims at providing dwelling unit of free of cost to the poor families of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, free bonded labor, and also non-SC/ST person below the poverty line in rural areas. The scheme is funded on the cost of sharing basis of 75 to 25 between the center and the state. The 3% of the fund are reserved for the disabled person living below the poverty line in rural area. In the present of the form, Indra Awas Yojana is one of the most very popular scheme of rural development and has the caught imagination of rural people. The scheme enable beneficiaries to the participate and involve themselves in construction of their house as per their choice of the design, technology and requirement. Now the focus is on targeting the poorest of the poor. Next, Bharat Nirman. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana as Indra Awas Yojana have we now been made a component of the Bharat Nirman. This program has launched in the 2005 for building infrastructure basic amenities in rural area. It has six component and rural housing, irrigation, potential drinking water, rural road electrifications and telecommunication connectivity. Next, Son Jayanti Sahari Rozgar Yojana. It was launched in 1st December 1997. The Yojana is subsequent to earlier three urban poverty program, Nehru Rozgar Yojana, Urban Basic Service for the Poor, and the Pradhan Mantri Integrated Urban Poverty Alleviation Program. It was repealed on April 2009. Now this scheme has been following five component: urban self-employment program, urban women self help program and skill training for employment promotion amongst the urban poor, urban wages employment program, and the urban community development program. Sir Jayanti Sahari Rozgar Yojana centrally sponsored scheme and it main aim providing the gainful employment to the urban unemployment, underemployment below the poverty line. The funding pattern of the scheme between the central and the state 75 to 25. It now proposed to bring the new focus on the Sonjati Sahari Rozgar Yojana in keeping with the fact that urban have to develop the new skill requirement toward this, and 43 new trade of the have been identified in which it proposed to build the capacity by scaling development and self-help group and self-employment skill plus acceleration of credit setting of the self-employment. Thus, Sarjanti Sahari Rozgar Yojana subsequently revised. Next, National Social Assistance Program. It was introduced 15 August 1995, centrally sponsored. The basic of this program was to provide social assistance benefit to the rural people in case of old age, death of primary bread earner, and the poor women during the maternity. Provide the opportunity for linking the social assistance packaging to the scheme for providing elimination anti basis of need. As present, National Social Assistance Program of five scheme, namely Indira Gandhi National Age Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme, National Family Benefit Scheme, and Annapurna Scheme. There are also some other schemes to help the poor employment. Among them are National Food for Work, Annapurna Yojana, Krishi Samik Samajik Suraksha Yojana, Shiksha Sahyog Yojana, Antyodaya Anna Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana in the year 2014, government launched this scheme to promote the saving habit among the people by encouraging them to open the bank account. Besides promoting saving, it intended the transfer of the benefit government scheme subsidy directly to the bank account holder, and each account holder entitled to 1 lakh accident insurance and 30,000 rupees life insurance cover. Thus, various programs to being made government improve the quality of life of the poor.